Today, we are going to discuss the first thing you are seeing when you are opening your Big Data Tools window. Connections. As you can see, Big Data Tools supports multiple types of connection. Connection to file systems, object storages, monitoring systems, and notebooks. And first thing we will discuss is work with Zeppelin notebooks. First, we are adding new Zeppelin connection and can see a dialog where we can enter URL, login, password, connection name. Let's check if it works. We are adding our Zeppelin URL. Let's give connection some sensible name, username and password. And also we know that we won't be able to connect to this Zeppelin instance without providing it with proxy. So we are adding proxy. It will be of HTTP type. And also we should set up an authentication. Also we want to check enable the tools integration checkbox to be able to view variables inside our Zeppelin instance. Let's test connection. It's successfully connected. Click OK, and here we can see that it's being indexed, and we can see multiple notebooks loaded here. Let's try to open any of them. It works.